It has lights on it. Oh my gosh, I think it just next, dude. Let's see. Okay, 这边好哎，这边丢。Okay. Whoa, whoa.
Pew. 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 Ay.
Ginger Cat checking in. And guess what? It's all dogs here. No cats in sight.
你挺倔强啊！再给你一次机会啊！
The best food is someone else's food. These two buddies just follow that rule.
Wiggle, 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 and wiggle, wiggle. Nala.
Some say he's still stuck there, contemplating his life choices.
Why you hiding? Why you in that bag? Oh my God.
Why is your nose in the corner?
You know you done fucked up.
Point of view, there's a moving cloud landing in the yard in your house.
Salut mon loup. Ça va? Oh, attends. Oh.
I have to go to work, dude. Get out. Come. Let's go. Polly, that's gross water. What?
Curiosity can help us discover interesting information. In this case, it helped the pup explore the depths of the sewer. He was probably running to the love of his life, the fireplace.
Oh, you have clumps of snow.
Believe that if others can do it, you can do it too, unless your body won't let you.
No eres perro. The dog's out there.
His magic tongue's a Bluetooth that can absorb water at long distances. Looks like he needs a rest after a day of entertaining guests at his birthday party. This teenager dog must feel like he's grown up, so he needs some space of his own. What surprised him was not how he met his enemy here, but that his enemy left without leaving any fight behind. Today, he's practicing with this small challenge. Tomorrow, he'll start digging more magnificent caves.
Brain, are you serious? Can we figure this out? Boys! Kevin, move onward. What is happening? Kevin!
There's a buddy praying that his bestie doesn't release a single fart. He's got his own personal rain cloud, and it's always hovering over the food bowl.
This type shit I be talking about.
He's like, I'm not losing, I'm just taking a dramatic pause. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, 周一。嗨，嗨，周一。哇！我怎么跳起来了？你
干啥？干啥？
好了，好了。
干啥？干啥？干啥？干啥？干啥？
喂，过来。
Before this food was tested for toxicity, he did not let himself be the laboratory mouse.
What are you doing? Did you do something you're not allowed to do?
なんでパパにバウワウバウワウっていうの？パパお風呂から出てきただけなんだけど、パパのお手手があったかいなーとか思ってんだろお前。こいつの手があったっけ？
だよね。
Can anyone guess where this boy will keep that stick in his house?
Aí fica vindo atrás da gente, olha aqui. Ó a situação aqui, ó. Toda cheia. Olha. O nome disso aqui, Malu, é pega velho. Como é que você vem pra cá? Meu Deus.
cilada dele.
If they're not funny, they're not dogs. Thanks for loving them and have a nice day.